case you're wondering what it takes. What a lab looks like. The builds of these kind of robots. This is the state I've got to when it's just time to clean up. Electronics, an arm stand, and it will start to feel like it's your hand.
Yeah.
More electronics. Some Waldos.
This bag,
Old hands. Slightly less old hands. Bits for the arm. And all of the componentry required. Tiny little machining center. Some bits you just have to make in higher strength materials. But that's the main bench there. And that's where I film. For the V1. And after a few hours of cleaning, it may not particularly look like it. There you go, there's an empty desk space. Not all done, but nearer. Operational again, at least.